Well, I just wanted to give you an update. On the house. We just got a structural engineer to approve the house finally. So everything is good with the foundation, the roof, the trusses, the flooring, everything. So here's the outside of the house. Got all the siding up, new windows. Every window's new. New roof, new trussing, new foundation, new doors. We got the seamless, custom seamless black gutters that we just put in the other day. We got all the siding done on the whole house, brand new drip edge, everything. Off to the back, we built this whole back half of the house, changed the pitch of the roof, so we got less snow load on there. We extended the back half of the house some, put an entrance on the door. We actually got doors now, that's good. Got all the siding done along the back, got all the gutters done back here, and then I put in the main line, the 200 amp meter I put in. We're gonna run 200 amps. I put a panel in too, ran the main line up, and then we just got brand new gas lines in too. So we installed those gas lines just last week, but they're all brand new right from across the road, so there's no leaks or anything that are gonna be there. And then in the inside of the house, this has all been framed up. We raised this roof and the ceiling up 3 feet, so we got more headroom. In here, this has all been framed out. This is going to be the kitchen in here. Leveled all the floors out, put in some headers, did all the structural in the ceilings. And here's the bathroom where it's going to be laid out. We did all the framing in here too. And then we framed in the ceilings, raised that ceiling as well. You can see where we added in the extra 3 feet. We have the staircasing in there. We put some headers in here to open up the walls here, so we got a header there and there. This is going to be the dining room in here. It's going to be another, just like a sitting area in here. Put all new windows in here. Put the big grand front entrance door. And we got the living room that's going to be in here. We have to swap out this header for LVL, but we'll get that done. That was the only thing the structural engineer had an issue with. This is the master. We closed in the walk-in closet, so this is going to be all walk-in closet. We also raised the ceiling in here too, so we got quite a bit of high ceilings in here for the master. And then upstairs, we pretty much made one big giant room for Bradley. So it's one. Actually, he almost has the master bedroom. So I'll show you this one up here. So we finished all the flooring up here too. We're getting ready for finishing flooring right after the drywall. So we put brand new roof in here, brand new rafters. We raised this roof 8 inches, put all brand new windows in, framed up this whole ceiling, had to go, the rafters and everything, we had to rebuild them. We put headers in for extra storage behind this wall here, and then we put in some ceiling lights. Same thing here, this is going to be extra storage. We're actually going to run some lighting back there, and that'll be like Bradley's little hidden toy room back there too. I'm gonna make a little doorway here too, so it'll be sort of a little fun spot for him. And then we made this big entrance here too. So this is gonna be one big giant room for Bradley. I'll stand back so you can see the big pan of the room. So he's gonna have his bed in here somewhere, and then he says he's gonna have a game room, of course, and then a TV room. That's what he says. So he has his whole vision set up here. So just wanted to give you an update. So we got the structural engineer approved. We got the architect and the engineer that drew up the drawings. Those are all stamped and approved. We had the green energy codes done and evaluated, so those are done. We got the gas lines installed. We got our DOT permits to run under the road. We got our gas lines approved. We got the main lines then for the electric. We have our electric inspection next week, and we got building inspection showing up next week too. And we had our structural inspection yesterday. So we're cooking along now. Now we just got, some electrical lines, some drywall, some mudding, and just all the fancy stuff that just, set in play. Cabinets, all that, countertops, all that stuff, tub, sinks, all that stuff's gonna go real quick. This was the hard part. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone.